Alright, I'm back with another pandabuy unboxing. Yes, it's open. It's because I don't want people seeing me struggle like they always do opening this, so I pre-opened it. This is a 10 kg haul. Let's get right into it. Where did I put my scalpel? That's a later problem. Oh yeah, I changed the recording getup because my sister's not here and uploading's a pain. Hopefully this is better and everyone could hear me. If not, oh well, can't do much. So yeah, this is 10 kg. I got it from the CN Fair thing where everything was 80% off. Or something like that. So yes, it's like my third unboxing of this stuff. Too bad you guys might never see the other stuff because it's not getting uploaded. First, this is a football top. Yep, football top. I don't know. Is this a football top? Yes, this is a football top. I don't know what you guys think. I got my computer so I can see what you guys can see, I guess. If it focuses, whatever. Can't spend too much time. Got a lot of items, like 18 items. So, yep. Football top, Chelsea. Bada bish, bada boom. Also, if it cuts out, sorry, I have noise gate. So I don't know how the setup would be like here. Next item. Also, sorry for my messy room. What can you do? Oh, this was a regret. If regret was a thing, it's this. Didn't even come with a box. It's, you guys can probably tell. Oh yeah, I don't condone buying authentic replica stuff and stuff like that. This is entertainment. This is a Gucci cap. Has been destroyed in travel. Hopefully it stretches out. Let me use my big head. Did that help? No, it did not. But yeah, you guys get the point. Tags and stuff. If it even catches up, I promise it's there. It's got me paranoid. There we go. Anyways, more stuff. No, I wish I had a chair. The regret is real, but what can you do? You probably tell it's another football top. And it's a Bayern Munich. Bayern München. Looks cool. You guys could probably tell there's gonna be a lot of football stuff because I don't say I love football. It's alright. Luton Town all the way. Sorry, I'm gonna try to speed it up. If there's frame lag, I can't do much. Tried my best fixing it, but what can you do in life? You guys do not see me struggling. Probably tell, trap store. I thought they were long when I got them. You guys probably won't know this, but I've got no calves. So yeah, me wearing shorts. That's a funny one. Also, let me know if you guys got anything from Panda Buy during the CN Fair thing. It's been a while now. Oh, I'm making such a mess. Another football thingy, my bobby. It's the PSG tracksuit. You can probably tell I went for the quantity, not quality amount. Actually, not bad. Let's see the Michael Jordan, what people think. If anyone sees this. You look a bit pregnant. I don't know. You guys tell me. Oh no, it does have a zip. I was gonna say it looked like it was hidden, but there is a zipper here. Let's go to the trousers. I'm not too bothered to do the full unboxing because I need to keep storage, so I need to know what everything comes with. This has zippers. It has zippers. That's good. Chalky ducky. Oh yeah, if I'm slow or whatever, because this has already been 7 minutes. Wow. Just make sure you fast forward or speed it up. Farm Angels. I'm happy it's the special ones with the actual names on their bags. They're spending like 15-20 bucks. Feel like that's the least they could add. But that's just me. I hate opening this stuff because it's a pain to fold it back in. Is this inside out? I will not lie to you guys, it feels a bit funky. Feels a bit funky. Pockets are here. There is a tag. Let me give it to everyone. Oh, my back is going out. Yep. Oh, I can't even bother with the rest. Okay. Sorry, hit the mic. Might have made a loud sound, might have not. What can you do? Yeah. Also, sorry if it keeps making a loud noise. Is there another way I can do this to make my life easier? Awesome. Wish I thought of this before. The Nike, not entirely bothered to do everything. Looks at the ease touching, so I don't know, some people have issues with that. It's all nicely closed. I'll ignore it and not open it. Sorry. Anyone watches, comment. Do you want to see me open these stuff properly? If not, what can you do? Fine, want that open mic. Trap star. You can already tell, not bad, but you can already kind of tell that the trousers stringy bits too long. Don't know what this is. It's got my interest. I'm thinking this is another PSG top, but I could be wrong. Ah, says Qatar Airways. What am I talking about? Definitely another top. Sorry, it's a bit of a rush. There's probably not going to be any links for these items because I kind of just got them from the CN Fair thing, and some of these shops are just vanished. Vanished like my dad. Away. Nike. Let me see if I can find the rest of the stuff. Not too much of a deal. What's the next? Also, yes, there's a lot of items. I can't believe this is all under 10 kg. Well, this was just packed terribly, so. Oh, like this looks terrible. The E's not even with the K, it's not all aligned. I don't know if I'm tripping, but okay, I'm tripping. On my eyes, it just looks in person. It looks a lot more blurry. Tags. I will not lie. This looks like 90s. Might wear them as 90s. Also, I don't know if people want me uploading more about pandabuy, talking about it, or other stuff, but I'll see. Strap star. Once again, the straps on the neck's a bit long. Size S, you can probably tell because of the massive S there, but I am a tiny person. And if I get anything a size M, you know, either Chinese sizings are weird or I done goofed up. Everything is falling behind me. Oh, I should really move the mic closer, but what can you do? Gotta believe in my £20 mic. I shuffle this. Oh, I cannot. Looks all pretty connected and stuff. What time am I on now? Oh, I'm doing it pretty quickly. 14 minutes. Well, quick for my standards. Let me open this off camera. Or I could just do that. I've lost the will to keep off opening multiple stuff. Oh, this looks very bad. I'm actually a bit upset by this one. What do you guys think? Looks very off to me. But then maybe all of these look off and I just don't wear valuable stuff, so I never know. Oh well. The main thing is confidence. Oh yeah, if once people are wondering how much I've spent on pandabuy, in like half a year I've spent like over £1,000. Did I order 2 pairs of trousers? That can't be right. Did I do that? Must be so. But that sucks. I don't think they fit me, you know. Oh yeah, if a lot of things don't fit me, it's because impulse buy. Being fair, everyone was rush buying, so I did the same. And I managed to buy someone's Moncler jacket. I think someone's, but I'm pretty sure they were trying to trade and it did not work out. Rhode Island, size 30. I'm a 34 waist or 32. I'm hoping I can fit into this. Look, even if I can order weight. Get for this one. This. Feels a bit papery. You know what? Feels good quality. I'll give it that. There's the logo on the button thing. You know what? I can't wait to try these. Oh, they're elasticy as well. They might actually fit my fatness. Oof. My bed. Did not be throwing the stuff on my bed because it's from China, but it is what it is. Good thing is for you guys, unboxing's almost over. Essentials. Can't probably see it. Can you see it? Yeah. Has its own branding. I mean, this stuff's relatively cheap, so who cares? I say that, but I bought one, and it's one of my unboxings if that ever comes out. I mean, if it does, no, I said that. Last item, everyone. Am I gonna guess right? It should be a Nike red full suited tracksuit. If not, I've been stiffed. Well, look at that. I might have been stiff. Or maybe it's another box. Because I ordered so many and I don't know which one's which. Yeah, I didn't think this would be that good. Feels really good. Okay, straps are very fake. Let me fold it up so you know like how it's like a normal Nike would be. Okay, it does not fold well either. Oh man, it's a size M. That should fit. Has zippers on the side. No one can rob you in the streets of Luton. If these zips work. Okay, I don't want to break in. I don't think the zips work. Oh, they worked. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.